Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Sword of Victory in Gothic 1 Remake. The Sword of Victory is a strong one-handed sword with a relatively low strength requirement, making it easy to upgrade into early on. Although the sword is located in an area that's normally visited in Chapter 3, you can actually obtain it as early as Chapter 1. First things first, we need a magic scroll to transform into a bloodfly. You can buy this from Torres in the old camp, as you can see here. Next, what you'll want to do is head to the castle at the mountain fortress, right here as you can see on the map. Ignore all the enemies you encounter on your way to this location, except for the harpies near the entrance. Head inside, turn right, and defeat the harpy sitting by the staircase. Now use the transformation scroll and become a bloodfly. Use the staircase to climb to the top of the tower. There are gaps in the stairs, which is why we need the bloodfly transformation to cross them. There are also a few spots where you need to hug the wall and attack, just like this. Once you reach the top of the tower, you'll encounter several more harpies that you'll need to defeat. After clearing them out, unlock this chest right here. I've pinned the lockpick solution in the comment section below. Once you open the chest, you'll acquire the Sword of Victory. The Sword of Victory deals 46 edge damage and only requires 36 strength, making it one of the strongest early game one-handed weapons you can get. And that's how to get the Sword of Victory in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.